Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a polygon 3D logo design. This is very simple and super easy logo design. So I'm here just to show you how to create this super easy logo design, and it takes just a little bit time. So no things will skip. It will be step by step. So now I'm gonna talk. Just carefully pay attention, and you will learn something from here. So now I'm gonna talk. This Let's begin. So first of all, I needed to move a little bit smaller here, little bit, and keep to the corner side. So I'm keeping here. So what we need to do first, we need to go to the over here. You see so many tools over here, but I needed to exactly this polygon tool. So I'm here, this polygon tool over here like that. I think this is fine. Okay, so I just like that, put it over here a little bit. I think that's fine, and that's great. So it's fine. I just need to select the black color and go over here just a little bit bigger. Okay, it almost done. So I need to go through line segment tools and just drag from here to here over here, and from that over here, and I select this one to over here. So what do I need to do? We need to, again we need to go to the over here, and I need now ellipse tool, and just I drag from here. This, I think it's done. So right now I just to put it down. I think it will be more better and necessary. Okay, so done. But I need again go through the select this one and just go over here to rotate tool, and by pressing Alt key and just press over here, you see you need is a careful angle 120 degree, and the previous must need to be click over previous and copy, you see. And now what to do, we need to just press Control and D, you see this happen magic. So what I need to do, we need to now just select this one, and what should I do, we need just to press the Control key and a little bit just angle like that a little bit, not much. Yes, I think it's like that. So round rectangle like that. So I need to now just select all the things over here and go to the rebuild tool, and then now cut unnecessary things by pressing Alt key and cut all the things. I think it will be more better. Cut all the things, cut all the things. It necessary compulsory. So I need to just cut all the things over here. See, we're cutting all unnecessary things. So it's over here. So that's fine, and it's almost done. So what we need to do, uh, again, we need now go to the select all the things and go over here and adjust this fill color and drag from here the here and oh sorry, yes, okay, this one till that one and it like that completely, and from that I start over here and finish like that, and I need by pressing Alt key and cut all the things. You see how cut and how fantastic. So I need now just to clear inside inner side, so select all the things and I just move over here and cut all the things clear. Yes, now it's clear. Okay, almost done. Now just keep over here. Sorry for that. Sorry, happening sometimes. You work on the time is making problems. So this all almost done, dear friends. So I just changed the color right now. Let's go to the eyedropper tool and click over here. And another thing is that just click over here and just go to the tool and over here just go to the tools. You see how is magic. This is all the magic. You see this fantastic design with the polygon tools. The no difference between that one. So these are all, dear friends. Thanks for watching.